Hey guys, warm welcome to another interesting video. Today topic of the video is absorption of radiation and electronic transition. The absorption of ultraviolet visible radiation by the molecule is associated with the excitation of valency electrons from the ground state to higher energy state. In fact, the electronic transition generally occur from the highest occupied molecular orbital to lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. The wavelength of the absorbed radiation depends on the energy difference between the orbital originally occupied by the electron and the orbital to which it is promoted. When a molecule absorbed UV visible radiation of the particular wavelength, only one photon in fact is absorbed, and it is assumed as a first approximation that only one electron is promoted to higher energy level while all the other electron remains unaffected. Furthermore, the atoms of the molecules do not move during the electronic transition. In fact, an electronic transition occurs so rapidly that vibrating atoms do not change their position appreciable during the period. Frank Cordon principle. The electronic transition that are associated with the absorption of the UV visible radiations are of the four type. Um, they may be moved from sigma to sigma stars, n to sigma star, and pi to pi star, and pi to n to pi star. So it is shown there is low is sigma, pi, n, pi star, and sigma star. Electron will move from sigma to pi star, n to pi star, pi to pi star, and n to pi star. N to sigma star is also possible, and n to pi star is also possible. Pi to only pi star is possible. Okay. The pi to pi star transition occurred in a saturated hydrogen carbon, such as pi CH3 and CH3, which contain only strongly bonded sigma electrons. The excitation of these electrons from the sigma orbital to a sigma star orbital requires a large amount of energy, necessitating absorption in a vacuum UV region, generally at wavelength below 150 nanometer. A C bond generally absorbed at about 135 nanometer. The N to pi star transitions occur in saturated molecules containing hetero atoms such as oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen involved in excitation of an electron from a non-bonding orbital of a hetero atom to anti-bonding sigma orbitals of the molecules. N to N star transition is also possible, you have seen. So this was the basic introduction about how transition take place.